just be telling ChatGPT to help me make $500, a minimum of $500 every single day. Now, the thing is this, guys. ChatGPT, also known as OpenAI, is now extremely intelligent, and a lot of people use it in different sectors of life, in medicine and engineering, a lot of aeronautics, a lot of stuffs, right? Now, so we are just going to be employing this particular stuff also into our Forex trading, right? Now, we want this stuff, that's the ChatGPT, to help us pick our cash at least $500 every single day. So in this place, we are standing as a novice, like we know nothing about trading. Like I said, I'm just standing as a complete novice, and we'll just be trying to ask ChatGPT, what do we need to do as a completely novice trader to help us make $500 now? Of course, now we are not having zero balance, we're actually having $50, right? Now, this $50 is what we'll just be using, is what ChatGPT will just be helping us to use to pick at least 500, 600 bucks today, right? So we'll just be following every single instruction of ChatGPT. So not to waste much time, let's start now. So this is just my mobile device, guys. This is what we'll just be using today to trade. So first of all, I'm just going to be asking it about gold, because that's what we'll just be focusing on, right? So let's start, guys. Hello, ChatGPT. So I actually heard about Forex trading, and I decided to become a Forex trader, and now I want to trade on my gold, right? I heard that it's possible for me to trade on my gold, also known as XAUUSD, but I don't know how to trade. I only have $50, and I want to make let's say like $500 today from that $50. What do I need to do?
Here's a general guide on how to get started. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of Forex trading and understand the specific nuances of trading gold XAU/USD. There are educational resources available online, including tutorials and videos. Understand the market. Gold trading involves analyzing market trends, understanding the factors that influence gold prices, such as the US dollar, interest rates, and geopolitical events. Risk management. It's crucial to manage your risk, especially with a small account. Consider starting with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Trading strategy. Develop a trading strategy based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. Use tools like charts, indicators, and economic calendars to make informed decisions.
Okay, so we don't need all of those information, right? Like, let's assume that, well, I just started, but at least I know how to manage my risk. I don't want to trade and blow off my accounts, right? So I know some of the basic stuffs that she's talking about, right? Or that ChatGPT is talking about. So let's just assume we know those things so we can actually go straight to the point. Okay, ChatGPT, I know that I'm a novice trader and I just came in, but I've already read about risk management. I know about that. I just want you to tell me how I can go into a trade now, because I'm actually sitting right in front of my chart and I want to go into a trade now and make at least $500. So what do I need to do? I just want you to go straight to the point, right? Because I don't have a lot of time to waste.
I understand you're eager to start trading gold XAU/USD right away. Here's a concise strategy that you might consider. Identify the trend. Look at your chart and determine if gold is currently in an uptrend, downtrend, or range bound. This will guide your decision to buy or sell. Set entry point. If the trend is up, look for dips in the price to enter a long position. If the trend is down, wait for a rally to enter a short position. For range bound, trade within the highs and lows. Use leverage carefully. With $50, using leverage can increase your buying power, but remember it also increases risk. Only use a small amount of leverage. Set stop loss. To limit potential losses, set a stop loss at a point where your market analysis would be invalidated. Set take profit. Aim for a realistic take profit level based on recent price movements and volatility. Monitor the trade. Stay vigilant and monitor the trade closely. Be ready to exit if the market moves against you. Risk-reward ratio. Aim for a risk-reward ratio that makes sense for your $50 investment. For example, risking $10 to make $50. Remember, turning $50 into $500 is a very high goal and involves substantial risk. It's important to trade responsibly and be prepared for the possibility of losing your investment. Good luck.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Let me do just exactly what you said now. Let me check out my chart and see what I'm having currently. Okay guys, now let's actually check out what's on gold currently, right? Because remember, we're trying to scalp. If we want to make such a cash, so we must be ready to scalp, right? So let's actually just go straight to our chart now. So this is what we're having, right? So we're actually having this particular stuff here on our XAUSD. These are 50 minutes time frame, right? Okay, now let's check out the trend now, what it was actually advising us to do. Okay, boom. Now, okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, well, we're actually trading as a novice, remember? So let's just plot this stuff out, and this is what we're having, right? This is what we're having, right? Let's just set that up nicely now. Okay, now having this now, what we're just going to do now is actually very simple, right? Let's actually just take, we're still having 50 bucks, right? Now this stuff is actually heading towards the down, but let's go on a higher time frame, right? If we go on a higher time frame, we can actually see that this stuff was going up, and then now it seems like it's going down. You can see it was going up, it broke out, and now it seems like it's actually going down, right? Okay, now that's actually really smooth. You can actually see the nice breakout at about that spot, right? You can see that, right? So well, that's actually very good, right? So what we can just do now is go back to a 15 minutes time frame, and let's go back now to go and meet ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what we can actually see currently. Okay, ChatGPT, so we were able to check out the chart, and we noticed that a breakout occurred, right, a few days ago, and then it started dropping, and we were looking at a 50 minutes time frame, right? Now it actually broke down and it started dropping down nicely like that, right? Now it wasn't an uptrend, now it's on a downtrend, and now it's touching the down parts there, the down part of the chart, and you know it has a down part and an up part. I don't know what it's called, right? But then it's actually touching the down part currently, and it seems like it's playing around that down part a lot. I don't know what, if it wants to go down or go up. What do you suggest I do? Do you suggest I buy now or I sell? What do you suggest I do?
Based on your description, it sounds like the gold price is testing a support level on the 50-minute chart after a recent downtrend. This down part you're referring to is likely a support area where the price has bounced back up in the past. Here's what you could consider. If the price is at support, watch for signs of a potential reversal. If there are bullish signals, such as a pin bar or engulfing candle, it might indicate a good opportunity to buy with the expectation that the price could rise. If the price breaks below support, this could be a sign that the downtrend is continuing. In this case, you might consider selling or shorting, expecting the price to drop further. Remember to set a stop loss to manage your risk, especially since you're trading with a small account. Your stop loss could be just below the support level if you're buying, or just above it if you're selling, to minimize potential losses if the market moves against you.
Okay, so that's it. That's what it told us, right? So it said that it's possible to buy and it's possible to sell, and you had all the reasons that it gave. So what we're going to do now, we're going to check the exact thing that the chart is saying, and we're just going to come back and tell ChatGPT again. So let's go back now. Okay, we can see this, right? It actually hit the spot, pushed up, hit the spot, pushed up. Now look at it, guys. Now these are the three candlesticks there, and now it looks like it's going down. So let's go back now and tell ChatGPT what we can actually see, because this is looking really tricky. A lot of bearish candlesticks are forming at that zone. Right now, I want to go on buy. I'm thinking on going on the buy, but it's looking tricky because a lot of bearish candlesticks are forming there. Right now, we'll have more bearish candlesticks, and before it had hit that zone, break below it, it didn't just close below it. Right, it has done that twice already, and now it's at that zone. It's playing around that zone, and it seems like we're having more and more bearish candlesticks there that are dropping a bit and going back up, dropping a bit, going back up. Now I don't know. Do you still think I should buy or I should likely sell? Because I'm thinking of buying. But because there are a lot of bearish candlesticks there that have been forcing to hit that zone, that support zone there, I don't know what I should do. If I should still buy or I should sell. What do you think I should do now? I just need a final decision. Should I buy or should I sell? Or you can give me the percentage of buying or the percentage of selling. Just tell me what to do. Should I buy or should I sell?
Given the pattern you've described, where the price has touched the support level multiple times and is currently showing a predominance of bearish candlesticks, it suggests that there is selling pressure at this level. This could potentially lead to a breakdown below the support level. However, since the price has not closed decisively below this level, it's not a clear-cut signal for either direction. Here's a way to approach this situation. If you're considering buying, wait for a strong bullish reversal pattern to form at the support level as confirmation before entering a buy position. This could be in the form of a bullish engulfing pattern or a hammer candlestick pattern. If you're considering selling, look for a clear break and close below the support level with increased volume, which could indicate that the downtrend is likely to continue. As for the percentages, it's not possible to provide an exact probability for buying or selling as the market is influenced by many unpredictable factors. However, given the current bearish signs, the likelihood of a downward move could be higher. Ultimately, the decision to buy or sell should align with your risk tolerance and trading.
Okay, so now we actually got to what it said, right? It said that the decision to actually sell is actually higher, right? The decision of a downward movement is actually higher. So even if we're thinking about anything, what can we do in this case? We just sell, right? We just sell like that because we are here as a novice trader. So we just want to sell and just see what happens. So guys, let's jump into sales now. Okay, stock that in. Let's just stock that in. Okay, let's just stock in sales now at that spot, right? Let's just stock in sales and let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's stock in some more sales, right? Because we are scalping, guys. We are scalping. So let's just stock in some more sales and let's see. Okay, let's just see what we're having. Hopefully ChatGPT explained that nicely. Well, it won't be ChatGPT's fault if this stuff doesn't go well, of course, but let's just see. We're actually having a 67. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT is actually, if the analysis of ChatGPT is actually accurate or not. Let's just see. Stocking some more. Let's just see because, well, okay, now we're actually having that. Let's stock in some more, stocking some more, stocking some more, stocking some more. And for those that are actually asking for the broker's name is actually in the description box. Okay, guys, we're actually having over $1,000, but let's wait. I wanted to close this trade, but no. Let's hold on. Should I close this trade? Okay, no, let's hold on. Let's watch this stuff out. Let's just watch. Okay, let's see what's happening here, guys. What's happening here? Okay, that's 641, 731. Okay, now this stuff is actually dropping because we are trying to scalp here. Don't forget, guys, we are trying to scalp here. Okay, 800. Okay, let's actually just zoom up this stuff. Let's see, but let's just see. Boom. Okay, now that's what we're actually having currently, guys. So we're actually having about 868 currently, right? You can actually see the movement, guys. Look at this movement, guys. This movement is actually really smooth, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This was actually clean, guys. This was actually clean. Meaning that ChatGPT wasn't wrong after all. We had a lot of bearish momentum at about this spot, and that suggested that this stuff is likely to push up. And in real life, that's what we call a build-up. So guys, we're able to just pick over $800 from this stuff, guys, even though we wanted $500. So guys, you know what to do. Let's go back and tell ChatGPT what occurred there. Let's hear the reaction of ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, seems like you were actually right. There was a higher possibility of it dropping down, just like you said. So I actually went in on a lot of sales, right? I stocked in a lot of sell positions, right, on the trade, and I was actually using an unlimited leverage. Also, I was using unlimited leverage, and I was using zero spread also. So I went in on sales just like you suggested, and I was able to pick over $800. Approximately $860. That was what I was able to pick up from this market now. And I actually have an audience listening to you also currently. So what do you think about this trade, and what do you have to say to the audience, other Forex traders that are listening to you currently?
Congratulations on your successful trades and the impressive profit you've made. It's great to hear that the market moved in the direction you anticipated. To the audience and fellow Forex traders listening, here are a few key takeaways from this experience. Analysis is key. Careful analysis of the market conditions and price action is crucial before making any trade decisions.
Okay, guys, so that's just how my class of action goes. So you saw how we're able to use ChatGPT to pick over $800 from the market from just $50, right? Now, that was actually very smooth, right? We can literally repeat this process every single day. I'm not saying that every single day to be right, but if I explain this stuff perfectly well to ChatGPT. It can literally help me to learn Forex trading if I'm a complete beginner, right? So this is actually an advantage that is actually existing currently, and you can actually take advantage of it perfectly well, just like that. Guys, just remember, if you're new to this YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, and also remember to hit the like button, and remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place, just like that. And guys, don't forget, just as you hit the subscription button, also remember to hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, guys. And if you're already part of this YouTube channel, you're already a member of the team, don't forget, guys, to actually turn the notification bell if it's not turned on yet. And also remember, guys, to just hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, guys. And lastly, guys, our mentorship course 100 is actually coming up in July, meaning that we'll be having just 100 students there, meaning just 100 slots will be available. So if you just want to register and be among this 100 students, just check in the description box there and just register very fast, just like that, because the space is actually very limited. And I wish to see you to be a part of this mentorship so we can actually interact and communicate directly, just like that, until we start storming the markets together, just like that. So that just how SPY class actually goes, guys. So bye from you guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.